Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I have an idea for you. I know that many of you have tried yellow rice with sausages, but the reason why I'm bringing this video to you is because I've spoken to a lot of people who tell me that they have never made it. So I want to show you how I make it or what I use. Okay, so in here I am using 3 cans of sausages. I'm using 2 different brands, but it doesn't matter as long as they're either chicken or turkey. You know what I'm saying? Don't use 2 combined unless you want to try it out, but I'm using all chicken even though they're different brands. I'm also using this seasoning here, Goya sofrito, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of that, which I've already added to the sausages. I'm also using half a can of tomato sauce. You can use another brand. They also have Hunt's, so they have the Goya, they have Del Monte, so they have different ones. You can use whatever you want. And I'm using half a can of that. I'm also using like about 1/4 of an onion chopped up. All that is in here already. And I'm using some salt. Salt to sprinkle, because remember these sausages are already salty. And I'm using half a pack of sazon. Okay, I've already added that to this. So now what I'm waiting is for it to sizzle like this so that I can add my water and continue to make my rice. And I'll have my yellow rice with loads of sausages to enjoy. Okay, so just try this mixture that I told you. Okay, so remember, oil first, the 3 cans of sausages, and then the rest doesn't have to be in any specific order. So you add the 2 tablespoons of sofrito, the 1/4 of the onion, some salt, half a pack of sazon, and half a can of tomato sauce. That's all. Okay, so when you make your rice and it's all done, I am sure that you will like it. This is not an entire cooking video. This is just the idea. This is what I use as the mixture, the sausages and the ingredients that I just told you about, and that's it. So if you want to try out this mixture, I hope that you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching.